For the last section in our blend classroom, we're going to be doing some matching of pictures to blends and then spelling it out. So for our example today, we have a cloud. Over here I have two choices for my beginning blend, either CL or BL. When I stretch out cloud, I hear k-ul, so I know that's CL. I'm going to take my smiley guy over here. I'm going to click and drag over top of CL so my teacher knows that's the one I'm choosing. Then down below it says to spell it. I gave you the last part of the word, but I need you to spell the beginning blend. Double click on the question mark so both turn blue, and then you're going to spell the blend that you just picked, CL. Now don't worry if your letters don't go exactly on the lines. The lines are just there to show you that you need to type 2 letters to complete the word. And you just spelled the word cloud. There are a couple of these practice slides over here. Smile is your last one, so when you're all done, turn it in for your teacher to see.